Here's a certified 2014 Chevrolet Impala. When you make your entrance in this Impala, everyone will know you have arrived. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, doors and push button start proximity key, front heated bucket seats, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Chicago Tribune writes, flip and fold rear seat cushions expose a stowage compartment large enough to hold a laptop computer or a slim purse. Chevy, 100 years of icons. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
At Classic Chevrolet, we want to help. Help you find the vehicle that best fits your needs at the price you want to pay. We're conveniently located just west of the DFW Airport's north entrance.